For my hydraulics project, I decided to create a safe. A safe is the device that securely locks things inside and is locked with some sort of passcode. I couldn't find a video of a safe opening, so here's a vault which closely resembles a safe. I'm going to cut out all the sides of one of the walls of the box except for one, and then move back and forth that wall so that it falls down easily. Next, I'm going to secure the circuit that I made onto the inside of the box using the adhesive on the back of the breadboard. Now I'm putting two pieces of conductive tape on the inside of the box, almost touching each other. Now I'm just scraping off some glue from a syringe that I used for a prototype. A soldering iron takes a while to heat up, so please bear with me. Now I'm stripping a wire. That's one. Now I'm soldering that wire onto one of the pieces of conductive tape and attaching it to the breadboard. Now I'm stripping another wire. And there's two. Now I'm soldering that wire onto the other piece of conductive tape and attaching that to the circuit. That wire is too small, so I had to take it off and strip another one and solder that one on too. Ah! It's starting to fall off. Better put a piece of tape on top of that one. Now I'm putting conductive tape on the top of the syringe. I added a little bit of conductive tape sticking out so that it was easier for the syringe to trigger the tape.
You can see here when this is touched, boom, red LED. Sort of, we have to work on making it more secure. But yeah, so now I'm going to work on some code to control the motor. Actually, let's go do that right now. Clicking, it works. Oh shoot. Yes, that click that you might hear, but also might not, and it might shoot. But of course, that's not actually how it's going to go. That's just for now, while I'm working on this. Might as well secure this one in place.
Now I'm adding some tubing so that the syringe can connect to another syringe. Off to get some water. Right now I'm just testing the syringe, making it go up and down to make sure that it works properly. Syringe number 2, I'm going to do all the steps that I did with the other syringe with this one. Adding the conductive tape. Stripping the wires. Soldering the wires. Now I'm securing that syringe to the box. Now I'm cutting open a hole so that the tubing can go through. Last syringe! Stripping the wires. Soldering those wires. Now I'm going to secure that syringe onto the box. Now I'm connecting tubing from that syringe to another syringe. Now I'm securing the other syringe to the outside of the box. Now I'm securing the pulley to the inside of the box. Now the motor and the batteries. I'm going to make a spool for the string to wrap around. I'm cutting part of the wall so that the USB port is more exposed. Testing, testing, testing. This whole section right here is just me making sure that everything works. Decoration time! And it works perfectly. I have a little design on the front here. It's like a cool safe thing. And the motor is pulling on this rope, keeping it up. And when everything is in line, the safe opens. During my building of this device, I had 4 big engineering challenges. I'll start with the smallest one. When I was soldering on the conductive tape, the tape kept falling off from the heat as that then melted the adhesive. Another one was when I was printing the spool. It was too big, and then when I went to redesign it again, I didn't realize that I didn't actually make the hole smaller, so then it just printed it the same size, so I had to print it again and completely redesign the whole thing. Another one was sometime earlier when the motor, so basically the motor is tugging on this, but like it can't move, so it heats up a ton, and that actually melted the hot glue that was sticking it in, so it came off. So during showcase, I'm going to have a hot glue gun so I can keep putting that back on there, and hopefully the motor doesn't get damaged. And the final one was a really big problem that I had while making this. It's over there. That's why I keep looking over there. Um, this motor circuit just kept not working. It was either the board I was using wasn't right. I had some weird code issue, like putting 2 equal marks instead of 1 equal mark. Or just one of the parts that I was using just didn't work. But yeah, in the end, it all worked perfectly as I wanted it to. So that's great. Thank you for watching. If you want to make this yourself, follow along with this video. I pretty much explain everything that there is to do, and my instruction manual has how to build the circuit, and the link for the 3D file is right here, and I'm going to put this on YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's going to be in the description. And also, the link to the code will be right here. Thank you for watching.